Top fat-burning and metabolism-boosting foods for weight loss. Achieving weight loss can be a challenging journey, especially with the overwhelming amount of information available today. This video aims to provide a clear and engaging guide on top fat-burning and metabolism-boosting foods, particularly focusing on the ketogenic diet, and we share with you some techniques to speed up metabolism of your body. Whether you're just starting out or looking for ways to enhance your progress, these tips, tricks, and food choices will help you achieve faster weight loss results. Expecting that you're utilizing the ketogenic diet to get thinner, you're most likely considering how to amplify your weight reduction. In all actuality, there's no sorcery to getting thinner. You need to consume a greater number of calories than you take in. That implies you can either diminish how much calories you eat, increment how much calories you consume working out, or both. The ketogenic diet assists you with getting thinner, yet it probably won't be enough for your objectives. To lose more weight, you can additionally change your eating regimen and spotlight on your exercise routine everyday practice. There's a wealth of fat in the ketogenic diet and barely little protein and carbs, so you shouldn't dispense with those from your eating regimen. All things being equal, take out food made of unadulterated fat, like a vegetable oil. That way you don't lose any of the valuable carbs or protein in your eating routine. Incorporating fat-burning foods into your diet can significantly enhance your weight loss efforts. These foods not only support ketosis but also have properties that boost metabolism and increase fat oxidation. So let's see some examples. Avocados. Avocados are rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, which helps reduce belly fat. They also contain fiber, which aids digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. High in potassium, vitamins K, E, C, and B6, along with a good amount of folate. Add to salads, make guacamole, or enjoy on keto-friendly toast. Eggs. Eggs are a fantastic source of high-quality protein and healthy fats. They contain important nutrients like choline, which helps boost metabolism by converting fats into energy. Rich in B vitamins, vitamin D, and minerals like zinc and selenium. Boiled, scrambled, or as part of an omelette with low-carb vegetables. Fatty fish. Fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and increase fat burning. High in protein and essential fatty acids, particularly DHA and EPA. Grill, bake, or broil with herbs and lemon for a delicious and nutritious meal. Coconut oil. Coconut oil contains medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which are metabolized differently than other fats. MCTs can increase calorie burning and are immediately used for energy. It is pure fat with a high concentration of lauric acid. Use for cooking, in smoothies, or as a coffee creamer. Green tea. Green tea contains catechins, which boost metabolism and enhance fat burning. The caffeine content also helps improve energy levels and performance. Rich in antioxidants, particularly EGCG epigallocatechin gallate. Drink several cups per day, ideally before meals. Garlic. Garlic has been utilized for quite a long time as a prophylactic and treatment for some sicknesses. It is rich in organosulfur compounds, which give it its powerful flavor, taste, and well-being enhancing properties. A new randomized, twofold visually impaired, fake treatment-controlled preliminary found that subjects who got 400 mg garlic powder tablets 2 times every day lost essentially faster than the benchmark group. Vinegar. Another low-calorie fixing that you can use to supplant more fatty augmentations is vinegar. A few human examinations likewise recommend that vinegar can be valuable for weight reduction in alternate ways too. Cruciferous vegetables. They all furnish us with a wellspring of sulforaphane and fiber. Furthermore, considering clinical examinations, sulforaphane helps turn around corpulence. How can this be? Since sulforaphane helps increase how much energy-consuming earthy-colored fat and further develops stomach well-being. Both are connected to bringing down degrees of stoutness and better in general well-being. If you have any desire to get however much sulforaphane as could reasonably be expected, I prescribe adding broccoli fledglings to your eating regimen. Olives and olive oil. Olives and olive oil contain various well-being advancing mixtures. One of their most concentrated compounds is called oleocanthal, which has calming properties that rival ibuprofen's belongings. Studies demonstrate that olive oil can assist with expanding fat misfortune and advance lean weight protection also. Dark chocolate. This extravagance might be as pleasurable for you for all intents and purposes for your body. The cocoa in dull chocolate contains numerous flavanols that work on stomach-related well-being and reduction pulse, coronary illness hazard, and insulin obstruction. While purchasing chocolate or any cocoa item, read the name to ensure it has no additional sugars and an insignificant measure of carbs per serving. Espresso has additional fat consuming too. It expanded ketone creation, animates the breakdown of fats in the body, expanded free unsaturated fats in the blood and pace of calorie consuming. To upgrade these fat misfortune impacts, take a stab at drinking your espresso dark with no additional calories. Berries. Most natural products are too high in carbs to incorporate as a piece of the ketogenic diet, yet a few berries are a flavorful special case. There are many sorts of berries on the planet, and every one of them contain different anthocyanins, which are flavonoids answerable for their shades of red, blue, and purple. These flavonoids additionally make intense calming impacts and can further develop stomach and mind well-being. While you are on the ketogenic diet, nonetheless, it is ideal to consume berries with some restraint because of their generally higher net carb content. These are only a couple of models yet recollected. The way to weight reduction is a supported calorie shortfall. At the point when you are in a calorie shortfall, eating less calories than you really want to keep up with your weight, your body will be compelled to utilize its energy stores. Counting these keto accommodating, fat misfortune food sources in your eating routine, it will be a lot more straightforward for you to diminish calorie utilization and get in shape normally without battling with medical problems or yearning. Now let's see some metabolism boosting techniques. While incorporating fat-burning foods into your diet is crucial, boosting your metabolism is equally important for effective weight loss. Here are some techniques to naturally enhance your metabolism. High-intensity interval training involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by rest or low-intensity periods. This type of training has been shown to burn more fat and increase metabolic rate for hours after exercise. Sprinting, cycling, or body weight exercises like burpees and jump squats. Strength training. Building muscle mass increases your resting metabolic rate, meaning you burn more calories even when at rest. Muscle tissue requires more energy to maintain than fat tissue. Weightlifting, resistance band exercises, or body weight exercises like push-ups and squats. Staying hydrated. Drinking water can temporarily boost metabolism by 24 to 30%. It also helps the body perform all metabolic processes more efficiently. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water per day. Drinking cold water may provide an added benefit by making your body work harder to warm it up. Eating smaller, more frequent meals. Eating small meals every 3 to 4 hours can keep your metabolism running at a higher rate. It prevents the metabolism from slowing down between meals. Healthy snacks like nuts, seeds, or low-carb vegetables. Keep away from trans fats. Trans fats aren't only awful for your heart, they additionally delay down your body's capacity to consume fat. Trans fats can adversely affect how your body utilizes fundamental macronutrients your body needs, similar to the lipids in your blood and unsaturated fats. Eating trans fat can cause insulin obstruction and aggravation, two variables connected with conditions that show issues with digestion, similar to diabetes and corpulence. Food sources high in trans fats incorporate numerous business-prepared products and broiled food varieties. Attempt to distress. One of the advantages of less pressure is a superior digestion. Exploration recommends that when you're worried, your digestion slows down. There are a couple of potential purposes behind this. However, one is that persistent pressure invigorates the development of beta-trophin, a protein that restrains a chemical expected to separate fat. Limiting stress may not generally be simple, however it tends to be feasible at times. You can decrease pressure by accomplishing something that you appreciate yet in addition track down unwinding, such as perusing a book or going for a stroll. Stand more. It very well may be gainful for your digestion to stand, whenever the situation allows, or simply move around assuming you're sitting for extensive stretches. At the point when you're genuinely dynamic and moving, you can consume more calories contrasted with assuming you're fixed or situated. Consolidating a ketogenic diet with fat-consuming food sources and digestion-helping methods can fundamentally upgrade your weight reduction endeavors. By understanding how these food sources and procedures work, you can pursue informed decisions that help your objectives. Your digestion can be impacted by various variables, however helping it is conceivable. Standard development, including exercises like strength and stretch preparation, making changes to your eating regimen, and getting sufficient rest are ways of seeing possible upgrades to your digestion. Keep in mind, consistency is critical, and little changes can prompt huge outcomes after some time. Thank you for watching this video, and if you're interested in buying healthy, keto diet-friendly food, check the description below this video and visit our keto food store where you can buy 25% or 30% off retail prices.